This video is just working with a two-dimensional array, just seeing how you can assign values to the two-dimensional array. We're not loading the array with a nested loop in this one. So here we have declared our matrix. It's 3 by 4. And we have some rows and column variables. And we have an integer variable called s, and s is set to 2. So we'll go on to the next statement. For row equals 0, so row is assigned to 0, to s, we're calling that s is 2, we will set matrix at 0, 2 is equal to whatever's in s times row plus 1. So row plus 1 would be 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So we're going to go to matrix at 0, 2 and assign this value, which is 2. Here's row 0, column 1, column 2. That's going to get a 2 in it. And for loops us back up here. And we then increment row to 1, and we test, does that exceed 2, which is s? No. So now we're going to go in and we're going to say, well, let's take row plus 1, which is 2, and multiply it by s, which is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and assign it to matrix at 1, 2. So here's row 0, here's row 1, here's column 0, column 1, column 2. So this is going to be 4. Looping back up, incrementing row to 2, we will now have test, is 2 exceeding s, and no, it doesn't exceed it, so we go into the loop. And the right-hand side says, add 1 to row, so that's 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So we got 6 on this side. And we're going to assign 6 to matrix at 2, 2. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. You're going to get a 6 there. And we are at the end of the loop, so we increment that, and we test, and we do exceed it. So we go to the next statement. We're not going to go in the loop because that's going to exceed that value. And now we're going to go to matrix at row 1, column 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, and we're going to put a 9 in there. So here is row 0, row 1, column 0, column 1. Going to get a 9 right there. Next statement, go to matrix at 0, 3, and put it at 4 there. Row 0, column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3. We're going to get a 4 there. Go to this statement. It says go to matrix 0, 2. Well, here's row 0, column 1, column 2. Okay, that's a 2. Assign that value to matrix 2, 0. Here's row 0, row 1, row 2, column 0. So 2 will also be assigned there. And that completes our algorithm.